This empty space costs you money. Shipping companies charge you for the size of the box, not just the weight. Now you don't need to buy that expensive box reducer tool. All you need is this. Okay, now as you can see, there is plenty of empty space in this box, okay? And we can push it down this way. Oh, nose is too big, it's gonna stick out. All right, try to sit it up this way. Horns are too big, right? Put the horns down in the corner, lean them forward. We can close the box. Awesome, awesome. So we know what we need is right, the item positioned right here, and the box shortened to about right here. We're going to take our trusty box cutter, and we're going to cut that corner. Now you're also going to cut the bottom corner on the inside here, and the bottom corner on the inside here. Okay, now from here, we have two options. We can either fold these in, or we can cut this part off and fold this up. Let's see how that bottom looks here. I like the way that bottom looks. We're going to cut that there. Remove that piece. Don't need it. I'm going to fold this side in here. You could score it so that it closes or folds nice and easy, but this box is a little flimsy and doesn't need scoring. Set that side up here. Hold your fingers up against there. Bada bing, bada boom. Smaller box. So we're going to cut these extra pieces off down here. Now all we need to do, cut that corner, cut this corner with the same lip that it had before. Now with it all cut up, fold those in, fold that in, close the top, and go ahead and tape that off. And then of course you just go ahead and tape this side and tape this corner as well. Now we did reduce the weight of the box ever so slightly. We're not even going to worry about that. We're not even going to measure that. Now this box was, we didn't change the width. We didn't change the height. All we did was change the length. So the length is now 16 inches. Instead of it costing us $28.30 to ship at the 2.1 pounds for the mask, now it's going to cost us $25.44 to ship with the same weight of the mask. I didn't weigh the box. Of course, the box is going to weigh less. We cut some off, so it's going to be less even, right? And of course, I didn't take the weight of the box initially anyway, so I was just getting the weight of the mask itself. So that's a savings of $2.86 plus whatever the box weighs. So use it just once, it'll pay for itself. I mean, what's a box cutter cost? Okay, maybe you have to use it twice to pay for the box cutter. So if you're shipping boxes, you want to save a little bit of money this holiday season or any other time of the year, and your box doesn't quite fit, that empty space is costing you money. Costing you money. Spend $5, $10 on a box cutter. Cut a few boxes. Doesn't take very long. My blade's a little dull. Use a sharp one. Hope that helps out.